Mochi Dochi, Los Angeles, Korean hot dogs, donuts. Let's see what they have. Also, Sawtell Place off Sawtell Boulevard. And also, you have a lot of Asian stores here and services, so this is kind of reminding me of when I used to live in Japan. So I'll have to go into a store or two, but you'll see there's a karate place, not going into that. Japanese kitchen and sweets, hair studio, acupuncture, travel agency, massage therapy, and then there is fresh and natural cream puffs, Person Realty, Japanese Deli, Max Karaoke. That is big in Japan. Wish we had time to do that. This is our last day in LA. We're catching a red eye. And then across the street is Sawtell Center. Lots of good stuff there. But let's check out Mochi Dochi. Choose your stick, choose your batter, toppings. And then Mochi donut, today's flavors, glazed matcha, brown sugar milk tea, strawberry milk, mango sugar, chocolate churro, and plain. And they have slushies, canned soda, and here are the sticks for your corn dog. Let's see what they look like. Here's some pictures. Premium beef, jalapeno cheddar pork, half mozzarella, half beef, whole mozzarella, whole cheddar, cheddar wrapped beef, cheddar. Okay, so this is how you order. Jalapeno cheddar pork. I don't want to make it a meal, and I love curry. Let's do monster style sweet potato. And you add that to the cart. No sugar. Special, dipping sauce. I don't think I want sauce. Okay. Then you add to the cart. All right, and then you check out. That's everybody's order. Look at the jalapeno in that. So good.